Welcome to Cyber Luana.
කොහොමද දරුවනේ අද දවසෙත් ඔන්න අපි එනවා ඔයාලට අලුත් පාඩමක් අරගෙන පාඩම තමයි like would like look like just like feel like දෙදෙනෙකුගේ සංවාදයක් තියෙන්නේ රෙස්ටොරන්ට් එකකට ගිහිල්ලා උන් කෑමකට ගිහිල්ලා ඔන්න කෙනෙක් අහනවා what would you like to start
What would you like to start? The soup. What would you like to start? The soup.
what would you like to start
What would you like to start? The soup.
I'd like the truffles. I'd like the lobster.
I think I'd like the truffles. I think I'd like the truffles.
I'd like the truffles. I'd like. I would කෙටි කරනවා I'd like. ඔන්න ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ ක්ලිප් එකට යනවා look like කියන පැටර්න් එක. look like වගේ.
What does she look like?
Hold on, Ali.
What does she look like?
Hold on, Ali. What does he look like? He has dark hair and a beard. What does he look like? He has.
what does he look like? එහෙම නැත්නම් ඇය මොන වගේද කියලා අහන්න කෙනෙක්ගෙන් අහන්න පුළුවන්. what does she look like? ඔහු මොන වගේද? what does he look like? It's time to share the video as well as subscribe to the channel.